Did you know that over 75% of Americans are dehydrated, and they don't even realize it? From brain fog and fatigue to poor digestion and weight gain, the effects are silent, but dangerous. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to stay hydrated through food, not just water, with science-backed strategies, and a full meal plan anyone can follow. Let's get started. You drink water, you exercise, you eat healthy, but your body is still dehydrated. Why? According to the CDC, nearly half of US adults are chronically dehydrated, and most don't even know it. This silent crisis can damage your brain, slow your metabolism, and hurt your heart health. In this video, we reveal the hidden dehydration traps in your everyday diet and science-backed food prep tips to stay fully hydrated. From fake, hydrating drinks filled with sugar, to high-sodium snacks labeled as healthy, even your morning coffee could be silently stealing water from your body. If you think drinking 8 glasses a day is enough, think again. Hydration isn't just about water, it's about what you eat and how you prep your meals. So let's dive deeper into the science of hydration and the real food prep mistakes that keep you chronically thirsty. Hydration is more than just drinking water. It's about maintaining fluid balance in your cells, blood, and organs. According to Harvard Medical School, electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium help your body absorb water efficiently. Without them, much of the water you drink just passes through your system. What causes this imbalance? Ultra-processed foods with too much sodium, diuretics like coffee and alcohol. Lack of potassium-rich foods like bananas and leafy greens. Dehydration symptoms can appear even if you're drinking enough water. Dry mouth, low energy, brain fog, and dizziness are just the beginning. In fact, mild dehydration can reduce cognitive function by up to 25%, according to the Journal of Nutrition. And if you're physically active or live in hot climates, the risks multiply. Let's look at the most common food prep mistakes causing dehydration and how to fix them. 1. High-sodium, healthy meals. Many frozen meals, deli meats, or protein snacks are marketed as healthy, but one serving can contain 8,001. 200 mg of sodium. That's over half your daily limit. 2. Skipping hydrating veggies, cucumbers, lettuce, tomatoes, celery. These are over 90% water. If your meals are all protein and grains, you're missing key hydration sources. 3. Overuse of caffeine. 1 cup of coffee. Fine. 4 cups or pre-workout energy drinks. That's a problem. Caffeine is a diuretic, meaning it pulls water from your system. 4. Meal timing. Not eating on time, especially breakfast, causes your body to stress and hold onto fluids inefficiently. The truth is, you can be drinking water all day, but still feel tired, sluggish, or unfocused if your food prep is dehydrating you. But don't worry. In the next section, we'll show you exactly what foods to add today to stay energized and truly hydrated from the inside out. Now that you know the common hydration traps in food prep, let's shift to what actually works: the foods, habits, and cooking techniques that keep your cells hydrated. Start with water-rich foods. These don't just provide water, they contain electrolytes, fiber, and antioxidants that help water stay in your system longer. Top hydrating foods. Watermelon, 92% water, contains lycopene and potassium. Strawberries, rich in vitamin C and fiber. Zucchini, great in stir fries and soups, 94% water. Bell peppers, high in antioxidants and 92% water. Oranges, not just juice. Whole fruit provides fiber and hydration. Don't just rely on drinks, add these to meals. A colorful salad or fruit bowl can do more for hydration than another bottle of water. Next, balance your electrolytes. You've heard of sodium and potassium, but magnesium and calcium matter too. How do you prep meals that support electrolyte balance? Use pink Himalayan salt or sea salt in moderation. They contain trace minerals. Add spinach, almonds, and pumpkin seeds for magnesium. Include bananas, potatoes, and avocado for potassium. Try chia seeds soaked in water. They absorb 10x their weight and help retain fluids. Bonus tip: add a pinch of salt and a splash of lemon juice to your water. that homemade electrolyte drink is better than many store-bought sports drinks with sugar and dyes. Now, cooking methods matter too. Boiling or overcooking vegetables can reduce their water content and nutrients. Instead, steam vegetables lightly. Use soups and broths made from scratch. Don't over-salt when prepping meals ahead of time. Avoid processed sauces and pre-packaged spice blends loaded with sodium. And here's a hydration hack most people forget. Eat on schedule. Your digestive system and fluid balance are closely tied. Skipping meals, fasting inconsistently, or eating heavy meals at night all affect hydration and cause fluid retention or loss. In fact, the timing of your meals can influence cortisol, the stress hormone that affects kidney function and fluid retention. Eating a regular breakfast with fruits and fiber helps rehydrate your body after sleep and kickstarts your metabolism. What about drinks? Not all drinks hydrate you. Hydrating drinks to include coconut water, no added sugar, herbal teas like hibiscus or chamomile, cucumber, lemon infused water, bone broth or vegetable broth. Drinks to avoid: sugary sports drinks, artificial sweeteners can act as mild diuretics to much coffee or energy drinks. Alcohol, even wine or beer, pulls water out of your cells. Hydration is about consistency, drinking throughout the day, eating hydrating foods, and avoiding the habits that deplete your system. In the next section, we'll explore how chronic dehydration affects your organs, energy levels, and even weight, and what science says about staying hydrated for the long haul. Chronic dehydration isn't just about feeling thirsty, it slowly damages nearly every system in your body. Let's break down the hidden health risks. Brain and cognitive function. Your brain is 75% water. Even mild dehydration, just 1-2 fluid loss, can impair memory, attention, and mood. A study from the University of Connecticut found that dehydrated adults experienced more anxiety, fatigue, and confusion. Heart health. When you're dehydrated, your blood becomes thicker. Your heart has to pump harder, raising blood pressure and heart rate. Over time, this strain increases your risk for hypertension and cardiovascular disease. Metabolism and weight. Many people mistake thirst for hunger. This leads to overeating and sugar cravings. Hydration helps regulate appetite and supports fat metabolism. Drinking water before meals can reduce calorie intake by up to 13, according to a 2010 study in Obesity Journal. Immune system. Water is essential for lymph, the fluid that carries immune cells. Dehydration slows down your immune response, making you more vulnerable to infections and inflammation. Kidneys and detoxification. Your kidneys filter waste and toxins. Without enough water, waste builds up, increasing the risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Energy and sleep. Dehydration reduces blood volume, meaning less oxygen gets to muscles and organs. The result? Fatigue, poor workout recovery, and disrupted sleep. Digestive health. Water keeps your digestive tract moving. Lack of fluids leads to constipation and bloating. Fiber only works when paired with water. Without it, it can worsen gut issues. So how do you know if you're dehydrated, even when you're drinking water? Watch for these subtle signs: dry eyes or difficulty focusing, headaches in the afternoon, bad breath due to reduced saliva, dark yellow urine, sugar cravings, especially late at night, muscle cramps during light activity, waking up tired even after 7-8 hours of sleep. The key isn't just drinking more water, it's creating hydration habits through food, timing, and lifestyle. Let's recap the top strategies. 1. Add water-rich fruits and veggies to every meal. 2. Prep meals with electrolytes in mind: potassium, magnesium, sodium. 3. Limit caffeine, sugar, and alcohol. All are dehydrating. 4. On a consistent schedule, especially breakfast. 5. Drink water gradually throughout the day, not all at once. 6. Use herbal teas and infused water to add variety. 7. Use soups and broths to combine nutrients and hydration. Still struggling to stay hydrated? In the final section, we'll show you a one-day hydration meal plan, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks designed by nutritionists to keep your energy high, your digestion smooth, and your body fully hydrated from morning to night. Let's bring everything together with a real-world, nutritionist-designed hydration meal plan you can follow today. Morning routine. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water with a pinch of Himalayan salt. This gently wakes up your digestive system and replenishes electrolytes lost overnight. Then eat. Breakfast oatmeal made with water or almond milk, topped with blueberries, chia seeds, and a sliced banana. Add a side of orange slices, herbal tea, or coconut water. Why it works. You're getting fiber, potassium, antioxidants, and water, all supporting hydration and gut health. Mid-morning snack. Cucumber and hummus, or a small watermelon bowl. Drink. Infused water with cucumber plus mint lunch. Quinoa salad with cherry tomatoes, zucchini, spinach, chickpeas, olive oil, and lemon dressing. Add grilled salmon or tofu for protein. Herbal iced tea or lemon water. Why it works. This meal delivers magnesium, potassium, omega-3s, and water-rich veggies. Plus, it's low in salt and free of processed ingredients. Afternoon. Avoid coffee after p.m. It can disrupt hydration and sleep. Instead, try hibiscus or chamomile tea. Apple slices with almond butter. A handful of pumpkin seeds. Magnesium-rich dinner. Lentil soup with carrots, celery, and onion. Steamed broccoli and roasted sweet potatoes. Optional, slice of avocado toast on whole grain water or warm ginger tea. This meal combines water, fiber, and nutrients, all supporting hydration and overnight detox. Before bed. Don't chug a full glass of water, it may disrupt sleep. Instead, sip herbal tea, chamomile, or lemon balm, or a few sips of warm water with turmeric. 1. Keep a water bottle with you at all times. Track your intake. 2. Use reminders or water tracking apps to stay consistent. 3. Make it visual. Add sliced fruit or herbs to make water more appealing. 4. Include hydrating soups or smoothies in your weekly meal prep. 5. Don't wait until you're thirsty at that point. You're already dehydrated. Remember, hydration isn't a one-time act. It's a daily strategy built through food, fluids, timing, and awareness. You don't need fancy supplements or hydration powders. You need the right foods, the right balance of electrolytes, and a routine that works with your body, not against it. If you found this guide helpful, like and share this video with someone you care about. Subscribe to Food Health 3604 Daily, science-backed insights on nutrition, hydration, and disease prevention. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next video where we'll break down the truth about healthy processed drinks that are secretly drying you out. Your health is in your hands. Start with hydration. Start today. So now, you know hydration isn't just about drinking more water. It's about eating smarter, planning better, and listening to what your body really needs. If this helped you, give it a like and share it with a friend who needs this too. Subscribe to Food Health 3604 Daily Tips backed by science, and don't miss our next video where we uncover the truth about healthy drinks that are secretly dehydrating you. Your health starts now. Start hydrated. Start smart.